In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Monday.com. We're going to walk through how to turn one of your existing boards into a simple form that anyone can fill out, and how those responses automatically appear back in your board. By the end, you'll understand not just where to click, but also how to think about your columns so your form is clean and useful. First, log into your Monday.com account in your browser. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where all of your boards are listed. Find and select the board that you want to use a form on. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place, because everything about your form is going to be based on this board. When the board opens, the very first thing you should do is map out your columns. This step is important. Whatever columns you currently have in this board will appear as fields in your form. So think about the information you want people to submit. For example, if you want to collect a name, a phone number, and an email, make sure you already have columns set up for each of those. A text column for the name, another text or phone column for the number, and an email column for the email address. Adjust, rename, or add columns now, before creating the form, so you don't have to redo it later. Once your columns are set the way you want them, look up at the top bar of your board. You'll see a plus icon that lets you add a new view. Click that plus icon, and from the drop-down menu, choose the Form option. Monday.com will now create a form view based on the board you're on. Wait for the page to load. It may take a moment. When the form view opens, you'll see that each of your columns has turned into a form field. This is your live form. To understand how it works, try filling it out as if you were a user. In the name field, type a sample name. In the phone field, enter a sample phone number. In the email field, enter a valid email address. When you're done, scroll down and click Submit. Give it a moment to process. Once the form confirms that it's submitted, go back to the top bar and switch back to the main table view of your board. You should now see a brand new item created with the name, phone number, and email you just entered, each neatly placed under the corresponding column. That's how your form connects directly to your board, turning form submissions into organized items automatically.